Hello friends, this video statistics part 13 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Before watching this video, please make sure that you have watched statistics part 1 to part 12. In this case, we have to find the mean deviation about the mean. Where here it is a continuous frequency distribution. Why? Because we see the first thing, there is no gap, 10 to 20, then we have 20 to 30, then we have 30 to 40. 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80. There is no gap. Correct? First thing we have to do is we have to find x size actually. X size. For this, 10 plus 20 by 2, 30 by 2, the xi will be 15. I am writing xi here. Xi is 15. For this guy 20, 30, the xi will be 20 plus 30 by 2. That is 25. For this it will be 35. Similarly for this 40 plus 50 by 2, 45. For this it will be 55. This it will be 60 plus 70 by 2, that is 65. And for this it will be 70 plus 80 by 2, 75. So we have x's. Now let's try to first form everything in that graph which we have, because if you put everything in table, life is simple. So for 10 to 20 distribution, we have 10 to 20, we have 20 to 30, we have 30 to 40, we have 40 to 50. I will writing everything. 50 to 60, 60 to 70, and 70 to 80. All this distribution we have. For this distribution, the number of students was 2. Here it is 3. Here it is 8. Here it is 14. 8, 3, 2. What I have done, I just copied data from here to here in this form. For this guy, xi point was 15. We have found this. This guy is 15. This guy is 25, this guy is 35, this is 25, sorry, this is 35, this is 35, sorry, 35, this is 45, this is 55, this is 65, and this is 75. So we have values till this point. Now we have to find Fixi. Why we have to find Fixi? Because first we have to find mean. For mean we have this formula, we know sigma Fixi by sigma Fi. Correct? So we have to find Fixi. So 50 into 2 is 30. Correct? 25 into 3 is 75. Correct? 35 into 8 is 35 into 70, 140 to 80. 45 into 14 is nothing but 630. Correct? 55 into 8. Let's find this value. 480 actually. 55 into 8, 8 5 is 40, 5 is 40, 480. 65 into 3 is nothing but 195, and 72 is 2 into 2 is 72 or 75. This is 75, sorry. 75 into 2 is nothing but 150. So we have these values. Let's add this. 5 plus 5, 10. 4, 7, 4, 11, 11, 8, 19, 3, 22, 22, 8, 30, 39, 39, and sorry, this is 8, 5, 40, 8, 5, 40 is 440. Let's add this. 0, 5 plus 5 is 10, 1 plus 3, 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 8, 90, 93, 22, 22, 4, 26, 26, 9, 35, and 5, 40, 4. 4 plus 6, 10, 10, 14, 15, 16, and 2, 18, 16 and 2, 18. This value is 1800. Correct? Let's find sigma Fi. 3 plus 2, 5, 5 plus 8, 8 plus 5, 13, 13 plus 14 is 27, 30, 40. This is 40. Correct? So now median is nothing but this formula. So if you put this value, sigma Fi is 1800 and sigma Fi is nothing but 40. So 1800 by 40, what you get is 4 by 80, 180, that is 45. So median is 45, that we have got. So this guy is nothing but 45. I'll write it there. So first achievement we have got, x bar is 45. Done. So once we have median, now we'll find the distance of x size from median. So distance of 15 from 45 is nothing but 15 minus 45 mod, that comes out to be 30. If I want, I can find this. 15 minus 45 mod, that is 30. Similarly, 25 minus 45 mod will come out to be 20. This becomes 20. So write this value. Similarly, distance between 35 and 35, distance between 35 and 45, sorry, will be 35 minus 45 mod, that came out to be 10. Distance between 45 and 45 will be 45 minus 45 mod, that will come out to be 0. Distance between 55 and 45 will be 55 minus 45 mod, that will also be not 0, it will be 10 actually. This guy will be 10. Similarly, distance between 65 and 45 will be 65 minus 45 mod, that will be 20. And distance between 75 and 45 will be 75 minus 45 mod, that is 30. What we have done here, we have found the distance between all xi's and this median we have got 45, that is xi minus 45 mod. This we have. Now the formula we know for MD, that is mean deviation about mean, is sigma, instead of xi it is sigma fi into xi minus mean mod, correct, by sigma fi. Sigma fi we already know, so we have to find sigma of, it is sum of fi into xi minus mean. So let's calculate this value. So this is nothing but this into this. So I'll put a star mark here, this star mark into this star mark, right? You have just multiply this to star mark. 3 into 2 is nothing but 60. 20 into 3 is nothing but 60. 8 into 10, 80. 14 into 0, 0. 8 into 10, 80. 20 into 3, 60. 20 into 60. 2 into 30 is again 60. You add this 6, 120, 80, 200, 280, 280 plus 60, 340, 60, 400. This is 400. Now the formula we had is this one. The formula we have is sigma fi into xi minus x mean by sigma fi. Correct? Where I is equal to 1 to 12, that we have to write here. Here also I is equal to 1 to 12. So what we'll get here? This value we know is 400, correct, by, and sigma fi is 40 by 40, and this comes out to be 10. So 10 is our answer, that is 10 is the mean deviation about mean for this continuous frequency distribution. So what we have done, first step, we found the xi's, the midpoint of this. Once we have the xi's, we found fi xi's. Why? Because we were interested in finding the mean of this continuous distribution first. We found fi xi, we had this fi summation, we used this formula sigma fi xi by sigma fi to find the mean. We got the mean as 1800 by 40, that is 45. So we got the mean, we wrote here. In the formula for mean deviation, this was the formula sigma fi by xi minus x mod. So first thing what we did was we found xi minus x mod, that is distance of xi's, this midpoints from mean, and the mean, this distance came out to be 30, 20, 20, 10, 10, 20, 30. This is the calculation. Once we have the distance, since the formula asks for fi into distance, we found fi into distance, 2 star marks, we multiplied it and we got these values. We added this to get 400, and then very simply we applied the formula to get the answer. So in such kind of questions, it is very much crucial to form a table. If you have the table, things are clear and you get the answers. If you don't make table, your life will be a mess and you won't be able to get the answer. So please make tables in such kind of questions. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.